Hmm. Sorry. I got somewhat stuck. Acha. Could you solve this question the last time I gave this question to everyone? Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Haripriya, my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, did you do this question? it was supposed to be very easy. The equation of tangent you want, na? Start doing it. The equation of tangent we want, so we will what we'll do, we'll try to find out. We will try to find out its slope. So the slope will be m is equal to dy by dx, and which will be 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So your dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Yes. Uh, minus x by y at 1, 1 we have to find. So dy by dx at 1, 1 will be minus 1 by 1. This will be your slope. So the equation of tangent will be y minus 1 is equal to m into x minus 1. So it will be y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1. So the equation will be y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 1. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Okay, everyone? No doubts here now?
Yes, sir.
Now see, this is how you find out the equation of tangent to the circle, to any circle. Last time I was telling you that you have to find miss to. Last time I was telling you, I'll tell you the shortcut method, and shortcut method for tangents. Suppose you need to find out equation of tangent to a circle. For example, the circle equation was x square plus y square is equal to a square. You have to find out the equation of tangent at x1 comma y1. What it will be, what you have to do, the shortcut is you have to replace x square with x1, y square with y1, x with x plus x1 by 2, y with y plus y1 by 2, like that. So here the equation of tangent earlier, see, if you try to find out equation of tangent by using normal method, see, by shortcut I'll tell you first. By shortcut, x square will be, we have to convert it x1. Y square will convert as y1. And a square. This will be your equation of tangent. Now you will be getting doubt, sir, always the equation of circle is not like this. For example, the equation of circle was x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Like this type of equation was there, suppose. Then how this shortcut will work? In this case, you have to convert x square as x1, y square as y1, x as x plus x1 by 2. So it will be 2g into x plus x1 by 2 plus y as y plus y1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. 2 will get cancelled. The equation of tangent will be x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. This is how this shortcut works, and it gives you result very quickly, finding out the equation of tangent. By using normal method, if you try to find normal way is, first you want to find the slope of this. M will be, how you will do it? 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So M is what? M is dy by dx at that particular point, x1 comma y1. So it will be minus x1 by y1. This is M. Now the equation of tangent will be, because the slope we have found, the point lying on this is x1 y1. So y minus y1 is equal to minus x1 by y1 into x minus x1. y1 minus y1 square is equal to minus x1 plus x1 square. I'm just trying to show you why the result that you have got by using shortcut is this, and actually if you were trying to find by normal way, your result will be this. They are similar, x1 plus y1. Here you are getting x1 square plus y1 square. Here we have to apply one more thing, because x1 y1 is a point which is lying on the tangent, also it's lying on the circle, so it should satisfy it. X1 square plus y1 square must be equal to a square. We'll put it here, that's why we'll get this equation. So in short, what I'm trying to say here, whether you find out the equation of tangent using your normal way or the shortcut one, what suits you best, use that to find out the equation of tangent. But both methods are with you. You can use anyone. Clear to everyone? Just see properly both the ways. The shortcut method to find out the equation of tangent, and normal way to find out the equation of tangent. I think I'm giving you some time. After this, I'll be giving you the question now. Diva, okay है ना?
Yes, sir.
राधिका सही है? Okay है?
Yes, sir.
Shama, Haripriya, Kanishka, everyone, no problem now. So I am okay to give you question now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's have the question. So first try to solve this question. It's not much difficult. You will be able to do it easy. You try solving it.
सर
हम्म
9 आ गया आंसर है।
9 आ रहा है। अब मैं देखता हूँ।
रेडियस
हाँ सही आ रहा है। वेरी गुड।
और मैंने 0 - हो गया था, 0 - 6 करके।
मुझे अपनी वर्किंग सेंड कर दो।
गंदी है, रफ है।
अरे भेज दो, मैं सब समझ जाता
मुझे
हूँ।
भी नहीं आ रही ना समझ।
मैं भी समझ में।
मैंने बस कैलकुलेशन कर ली।
अच्छा बताओ फिर कैसे किया है।
एक सेकेंड वेट, एक सेकेंड बता। मैंने जो फॉर्मूला था, देखो कैसे समझा। और देखो मैंने एक्स एक्स इंटरसेप्ट जो है वो हमें 6√5 दिया हुआ है।
हाँ।
तो फिर मैंने वो x माइनस आर का होल स्क्वायर
हम्म,
प्लस 0 y हमें मैंने 0 मान दिया।
अच्छा,
तो y माइनस 6 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू आर स्क्वायर। तो उसका वैल्यूज पुट करके आंसर आ गया।
तुमने
तो
जो
x माइनस आर इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट आर स्क्वायर माइनस 36। उसको फर्दर सॉल्व कर दिया मैंने।
ऐसे किया है।
हाँ जी। तो r प्लस अंडर रूट आर स्क्वायर माइनस 36 ब्रैकेट में, फिर माइनस आर अंडर रूट आर स्क्वायर माइनस 36 इक्वल टू 6 अंडर रूट 5 हो गया। फिर उसको कर दिया 2 इंटू अंडर रूट आर स्क्वायर माइनस 36 इक्वल टू 6 अंडर रूट 5। फिर स्क्वायरिंग
हम्म,
बोथ साइड्स करके आर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 81 आ गया, आर इक्वल्स टू 9।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
पर अगर तुम इसको कोऑर्डिनेट मतलब उसको वो करते ना, मतलब शो करते ना उस पे एक्स और वाई एक्सिस पे, तो और आसानी से हो जाता है। मैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ सर्किल लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती।
अच्छा, ये वाला एक मेथड आप यूज करके दिखा
मैं
दो।
करके दिखाऊंगा अभी तो। पहले देख लेता हूँ मैं इन लोगों का आंसर आ रहा है कि नहीं। शिवा, श्यामा, हरिप्रिया, कनिष्का। मैं कह कैसे रहा था ना, देखो ऐसे कह रहा था। सर्किल 0,6 पे टच कर रहा है, कट ऑफ एंड इंटरसेप्ट 6√5 ऑन द वाई एक्स एक्सिस, तो मतलब तुम्हारा सर्किल जो है ना ऐसा होना चाहिए। ये क्या है? 'हम्म, ऐसा सर्किल है। नाउ सी, ये 0,6 है। इन्होंने बोला हुआ है कि ये डिस्टेंस हमारा 6√5 है ना। तो आप ऐसे करके अज्यूम करोगे ये करके। अब ये 6 है, तो इसका मतलब ये वाला जो डिस्टेंस है ना आपका, ये 6 है। ठीक है, ये 6√5 है, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 3√5। ठीक है राधिका। तो आपके पास रेडियस आ जाएगा। 3√5 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर। ये इतना इजी था दिस क्वेश्चन, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू गाइस आर टेकिंग सो मच टाइम। 36 प्लस 45, 81, आर इज इक्वल टू 9। राधिका देखा? दिस क्वेश्चन वाज दिस इजी।
सर मुझे बस एक चीज पूछ रही थी, जैसे मैंने थोड़ी सिली मिस्टेक कर दी कि हमें इंटरसेप्ट 6.5 दिया, तो तो मैंने कैसे कोऑर्डिनेट ले लिया 6√5,0।
कहाँ का?
सर लाइक ये 6√5 इंटरसेप्ट दिया था, तो लाइक मैंने ये लेंथ की जगह मैंने उसे कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट ही ले लिया एक्स
हाँ
एक्सिस में।
हाँ, तो वो तो मिस्टेक हो गई ना।
हाँ यस सर।
अगर ये बोलते ना, इफ दे वुड हैव टोल्ड यू दिस थिंग दैट द x intercept is 6√5, then you can take 6√5 comma 0 as a point, as one point which is where the circle is cutting. But they have said it's cuts of an intercept, means cuts of an intercept means this length they are talking about. That's why you were not able to solve. Understanding the question makes your solving easy. What about Haripriya and Shyama?
So I considered 6 root 5 comma 0 as a point on the circle.
The same thing. There is a difference when they say na cuts of an intercept this much on the x-axis and the x-intercept is that much. There is a difference. So be very careful. Let me give you one more question. Here actually there was no knowledge of tangent involved. This one there will be knowledge of tangent. Try this one.
Sir,
Hmm?
I'm not feeling very sick. Also, just listen to the class.
Okay, you take rest. No problem. Actually,
No,
I
sir,
am also I'm also feeling somewhat feverish. Uh, what happened now? I took power nap just 2-3 minutes before the class, thinking that after 2-3 minutes I'll start the class. But I overslept 5 minutes. No problem. Take rest. Not a problem.
no, sir, I'll listen to the class.
Hmm?
I'll listen to the class.
Okay. See, it's not. You can take rest, or later you can watch the recording if you're not well. Not a problem. Up to you. Hmm. Actually, during this time, na, you should be careful because viral, the season is changing. Na, everyone is getting viral fever. Be very careful. When you go to your schools, colleges, there, if any one student has it, he or she will spread it to you. Keep your distances. Part. पीछे देखता हूँ मेरे को. C है इसका आंसर. C for cat. Hmm.
4x plus 3y plus 19 equals to 4x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0.
Hmm. Tell me what about others?
Slope minus 4x ही आ रहा है.
Slope हाँ -4/3.
इसका गलत होगा पता नहीं क्या.
Slope तो you can find out using this 4x plus 3y plus 5 is
मैं
there.
उस वाले से ट्राई कर रही हूँ.
अच्छा हाँ. Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Did everyone get the answer? I forgot actually. Now only this.
But I'm not able to find the parallel lines.
See, how do we do this question? No? Equation of tangent to the circle we have to find out. The easier way is the tangent that we want to find out that is parallel to this particular line. See, Diva, why this is important, the straight line knowledge. You have seen it or not, I don't know. This line is our tangent is parallel to this, so I can easily this is 4x plus 3y plus 5, and from the knowledge of straight line we know a line which is parallel to other differs only in constant. So 4x plus 3y plus c I can take some constant, only the parallel lines they differ only by constants because they have a slope same. Now for this given circle, the center you can easily find it is 3 comma minus 2. Radius also you know. What is radius?
तो 5 आ रहे हैं
है
तो मेरे 5 आ रहे हैं रेडियस
5 आ रहे हैं? अच्छा मैं एक बार चेक कर लेता हूँ. 3 square plus minus 2 whole square minus of minus 12 means it will be plus 12, so it is 9 plus 4 plus 12. हाँ सही, correct, very good. Now see, अच्छा, Eva, you were not able to solve this question because you did not know this answer, this formula. I think the length of perpendicular from a point x1 y1 to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, there is a formula in straight line that we have already discussed. Actually, see, I would recommend Diva to and everyone who is not very good in straight lines, because I think everyone must have seen by now straight line. Only Diva may be left. So I would recommend you to watch those recordings quickly, because this straight line knowledge, na, you never know when they will be used, when it will be used, and what formula they may use. Because straight line we cover first. The reason is we use it many a times in our problem solving. The formula that you are going to use is the distance, this d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Here how you will use, because you have to find c, the equation of tangent will come. The length of perpendicular from this 3 comma minus 2, because this is perpendicular to radius is always perpendicular to tangent. The length of perpendicular from 3 comma minus 2 to this line is 5. So 4 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 plus c divided by root over 4 square plus 3 square. This is equal to 5. Actually, this is modulus. Two equations you are getting because of this. 12 minus 6 plus c by 5 is equal to plus or minus 5. So you'll get c plus 6 is equal to 25, or c plus 6 is equal to minus 25. So the c value you will be getting is 19 and c is equal to minus 31. So the two equation of tangents you'll get, either it is 4x plus 3y plus 19 or 4x plus 3y minus 31.
Sir, even in straight lines also we have tough questions, the archive, the old questions. It's been merged with concepts of circle and permutation, combination, or some
No, permutation combination, combining circles, the straight line with permutation and combination is actually rare.
formula and all.
It's very rare, not much.
It can be also be combined with log, no, sir.
It can be combined.
Some questions are there that were like bit tough, and questions are also a bit lengthy also. Straight, not
Mm.
that.
See, it's up to them. If they want to make questions difficult, they can. But see, why we recommend reading this straight lines before, because you never know when they will combine what circle with straight line, because straight line is actually very usual to use. Means it is used many a times.
So, straight line, circle, and all we won't learn next year again. Will there be continuation like sets, relation, and function?
No, you won't use in only this whole of your coordinate geometry is covered in class 11 only.
Oh, my teacher told like trigonometry is last and sets will continue next year again, it seems.
Sets will continue the next year.
Mm.
Actually, I taught you sets, relations, and functions of the class 12th
Yes,
also now.
it's up to 12th
Hmm.
class.
Because why to wait? Cover it at once. Because it will be difficult for you to separate what kind of questions are of class 11 and what questions are of class 12. So do it completely at once. That's all.
Actually, because the phase one math was so what to study, what not to study, because set relation function, almost half of the things are in 12th. So skip those portions. Log is there, trig is there, and basic calculus. Basic calculus is like that also you'll be learning again with higher concepts.
So try solving this one. This is a bit tricky, but let me see whether you can do it or not. Because using this, we can arrive at a general result also. Just try to solve this question. The question, what they are asking, this circle is given to you, and only this tangent is given, only the tangent is given, whose slope is m. You have to find out the equation of tangent to this particular circle only in terms of m. That's all. Let's see how you will do it. Just see, if you are not getting any idea how to get it, I may help you. But for that, you will have to ask me. If I'm not able to do it, then only. Otherwise, if you are able to do, it's okay.
तो डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला क्या होगा फॉर पॉइंट x1 y1 लाइक फॉर ax plus by plus c equals to 0 जैसे है ना
परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस,
हाँ यस सर
वो ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square ना.
ओके ऊपर मॉडर्न
हाँ, ऊपर मॉड लगाना जरूरी है. Diva, Haripriya, is it becoming tough?
So a little bit, like I'm thinking of what idea to use.
See, one idea I can share with you. Any equation of tangent you can assume as y is equal to mx plus c. Because y is equal to mx plus c represents the basic equation of a line. Anyone. Now, you have to find out only this part c. For finding it out, what you can use, the biggest, this is first hint, that you can assume the equation of line as y is equal to mx plus c. First hint. The second hint is how you will find out this c. You know the center will be 1 comma minus 2. Radius also you know how to find. Now you use the formula that I just gave you, that perpendicular formula, this one, to find out the value of c. Center is this 1 comma minus 2, this point. Perpendicular distance y is equal to mx on this line. This distance is supposed to be your radius.
तो c की वैल्यू आ गई
आ गई क्या, ये बताओ.
हाँ c की वैल्यू आई है -m-2 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 3 m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 c है
ठीक है ना.
अब c को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है ना इक्वेशन में वापस
हाँ बस अब तो आ गया.
mx माइनस c प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0
हम्म,
तो एक मैंने दो वैल्यूज आ रही है नहीं दोनों एक ही आ रही है
बोलो.
y is equals to m into x minus 1 minus 2 plus minus under root m square plus 1
3 नहीं आ रहा,
इसमें से
3 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो रहा.
3 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है
हाँ,
एक सेकेंड 3 हाँ 3 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है मैंने उसको रिवोल्व कर दिया
वेरी गुड.
3
गुड.
मैंने
ये-
उसको y इक्वल्स टू mx को c मान लिया फिर जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला था उसमें पहले मैंने सेंटर की वैल्यू पुट करके इक्वेशन फॉर्म कर ली तो उससे c निकल गया
वेरी गुड.
इक्वेशन मेरी बनी थी mx माइनस वाई प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड में उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करा था
Very good. Very good. The hints I gave you, this is this, this is this. You have to find out only C using this perpendicular one. Now I want you to calculate this general method. Here, this generalized result. Acha, do you want me to solve this question? Anyone? Haripriya?
No, sir. I
I
can't.
think हो जाएगा.
हाँ, क्या कह रहे हो दिवा? हो
I
जाएगा.
think हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा ना. हाँ, नहीं आया तो फिर बता देना मुझे, मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में कर दूँ. वह खुद से करके देखिए. General result, what general result I want you to find? this is the equation of circle. First take the case of the x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is your circle. I want, this is the equation of tangent, y is equal to mx plus c. You have to find out this result, that c is equal to plus or minus a root over 1 plus m square. Prove that. Then the equation of tangent will be y is equal to mx plus or minus a root over 1 plus m square. You have to prove this result. First thing. Then this you will be able to do easily. The second important thing, which will be difficult for you, assuming the point of contact is x1 comma y1, find x1 y1 in terms of m and show that x1 comma y1 is equal to plus or minus a square m plus or minus am by root over 1 plus m square, comma plus or minus a by root over 1 plus m square. You have to show this. Okay. This is your result as a homework to prove. Means you have to find out this point x1 comma y1. Right now you have some time because I was late by 5 minutes. You can, if you want, you can solve the questions. Try to solve this one. I know this first result you'll get very easily. Just try to find x1 y1 now. And I will give you one generalized result basing on this. If the circle is like this, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. In that case, the equation of tangent becomes, if the slope is m, y is equal to mx plus slope of the tangent is given to be m, then you can easily take the equation of tangent as this one. Y minus beta is equal to m into x minus alpha plus or minus r root over 1 plus m square. Means what you have to do, the condition remains same. Only the thing you have to remember is, in place of x, you have to replace x minus alpha here. In place of y, you have to replace y minus beta. See, this one you will be able to prove very easily. C is equal to this. How? Because the center is 0, 0. You already know this radius is a, right? Length of perpendicular will be your a. So m into 0 minus 0 plus c modulus by root over 1 plus m square is equal to a. So c will be equal to plus or minus a root over 1 plus m square. Proved. This is proved. But the question is, this one is done. So the equation of tangent is this. How this will help you? How this condition will help you now? If equation of circle is given to you and only the slope of tangent is given to you, only the slope, then the equation of tangent you can just write this like this: y is equal to mx plus or minus a root over 1 plus m square, where a is the radius. So finding out the equation of tangent becomes easy. Also, the second result that I have given you, that this helps in finding out the point of contact where the tangent is. But how to prove it? How will you prove it now? Anyone? क्या कह रहे हो राधिका?
I can't understand.
You can't understand?
Like how to prove it.
अच्छा, how to prove it? See, This is x1, y1. So you already know how to find out the equation of tangent at x1, y1 to the circle. Tangent is x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. ना ये तो अपन ने अभी भी पढ़ा है. Now you already know this equation is y is equal to mx plus a root over 1 plus m square. Can you compare these equations and try to find out the value of x and y1? That only you have to do.
y की वैल्यू पुट करो.
y की वैल्यू नहीं पुट नहीं करना है, इसको तुम्हें इस फॉर्म में लिखना है. मतलब ये इक्वेशन ऐसे बनेगी, देखो y1 is equal to a square minus x1. So y will be equal to minus x1 by y1 into x plus a square by y1. Now compare them, because this equation and this equation, they represent the same. They represent same equation. Actually, I am solving it. Let me do it completely, and we'll end the class. Here, comparing these two equations, 1 and 2, you get minus x1 by y1 is equal to m. And the third is a square by y1 is equal to plus or minus a root over 1 plus m square. So y1 you have got is plus or minus a by root over 1 plus m square. Y1 coordinate you have got. To get the x1 coordinate, put in this. X1 is equal to minus m y1. So minus m a by root over 1 plus m square. See here, this is important. You have taken plus or minus. But remember, when you have 2 points, x1, y1 can be either minus ma by root over 1 plus m square, comma a by root over 1 plus m square. The second possibility is ma by root over 1 plus m square, comma minus a by root over 1 plus m square. Do not do this mistake that taking plus sign on both the coordinates, taking negative sign on both the coordinates is correct. Because for taking positive here, x1 is equal to minus m y1, this thing is important for you because it should be there. Okay. You understood now, everyone? How do we prove it? This general result will help you using. This will help you when you have to find out the equation of tangent and only slope is given. And see, in this particular case, what the point will be here. This point will be P, x1 comma y1 will be, let me write very quickly and then we'll end the class. X1 is equal to alpha minus ma by root over 1 plus m square. Alpha is outside. Comma beta plus a by root over 1 plus m square. Or the second possibility is, very quickly I'll tell. Second possibility for this is alpha plus ma by root over 1 plus m square, comma beta minus a by root over 1 plus m. These things you should remember. Just try to see at your home how we got it. Try to do it by yourself. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss in class and then we'll solve some more problems on this. Tangents, and then we'll move ahead. Okay, let's end the class.